Hey there. I've been pondering this question lately. Do we really need to learn coding in 2023 when we have ChatGPT?
Great question. While ChatGPT is incredibly powerful, having coding skills remains crucial. They lay the foundation for understanding, creativity, and problem solving.
But with ChatGPT around, can't we just rely on it for coding tasks?
Absolutely. However, the synergy of coding skills and ChatGPT is unbeatable. Coding knowledge enhances your ability to leverage the model effectively and troubleshoot when needed.
Fair point. Where should I start, then? Any recommendations for the best coding tutorials?
Start with reputable platforms like Code Academy, Khan Academy, or FreeCodeCamp. They offer structured courses for beginners and advanced learners.
What about projects? Should I really build something on my own?
Absolutely. Nothing beats hands-on experience. Start small, like a personal website or a simple app. It solidifies your understanding and boosts confidence.
Alright, let's say I've mastered coding. How does ChatGPT fit into the picture? Once you're comfortable with coding, ChatGPT can be your creative companion. Use it for generating ideas, refining code snippets, or even automating certain tasks. Any advice on integrating ChatGPT into projects effectively?
Start small again. Maybe automate responses in a chat application or generate content dynamically. As you get more comfortable, explore larger projects and see how ChatGPT enhances your workflow.
Got it. So, coding skills first, then ChatGPT for that extra boost. Thanks.
You got it. Happy coding, and may ChatGPT be your helpful sidekick in your programming adventure.